You got me obviously, Coach Albert, dan hari ini saya ditemani dengan dua orang karena topik hari ini kita akan membahas tentang cheat day or nutrition specific. Jadi we have Coach Gavi, who is the head coach of the head nutritionist coach here at Empire Fit Club. And we also have Coach Suzanne, who is the upcoming nutritionist. Also, she's trying to get her certification, the precision nutrition, right? What do you think about cheat days in general? Apa sih view kalian tentang cheat days?
Jadi menurut saya kalau cheat day itu gara-gara orang tuh mengimplementasikan restrictive dieting. Jadi kalau cheat day itu orang mikir, oh maybe kalau weekend itu saya reserve cheat day untuk makan pizza, untuk makan burger, nasi padang, whatever it is. Itu tuh it's like reserving a day untuk makan, to cheat on yourself gitu menurut saya. Kebanyakan orang mikir kayak gitu.
What do you think about cheat days?
When I think about cheat days, I don't think you should be thinking about days as cheating, to be honest.
Okay.
So if you already think kayak cheat days, you're just cheating on yourself already. Jadi kalian nggak usah, what is cheat? Curang lah.
Curang, mencurangi progress.
Progress diri sendiri gitu.
Mencurangi progress diri sendiri.
That's what I think.
Kalau gue kebetulan dulu udah pernah diet yang restrictive, sampai cuman di weekend doang tuh cheat days. Ada sih hasilnya, body fat turun, tapi habis itu bye. So personal experience berhasil hanya untuk kayak jangka waktu pendek sih buat gue. Karena kayak nggak ada hasilnya gitu. At the end nggak bisa berjalan panjang gitu. Makannya sekali makan cheat days, oh I like to eat pasta, pizza, cheese, semua yang so I can eat all this in my cheat day, tapi ya menderita sih sejujurnya. Jadi
Nggak sustainable
nggak bisa nikmatin hidup. That's from my side. And I love to eat. Apalagi
Ya. Kalau dari gue sih, I don't really believe in cheat days ya. For myself, I just see it as either gue mau makan banyak or gue mau fueling buat olahraga gue atau fueling buat activity gue. Jadi their point yang kayak nggak ada kayak cuman Sabtu Minggu is my cheat days, nggak kayak gitu sih. Kalau misalkan I want to eat something on Monday atau gue mau makan ice cream atau itu on Tuesday, I'll do it. Tetapi at the same time, I have most days yang kayak it's gonna support me towards my fitness goal. Jadi ada yang days yang gue kayak ya udah, I know that this is maybe it's not going towards my fitness goal, tetapi gue nggak lihat itu sebagai cheating sih. Gue cuma lihat ya udah, asal gue hari-hari kedepannya nggak bisa gini-gini terus gitu. You know what I mean? So sometimes there are more days yang nggak supporting my fitness goal, but on the bigger scale, gue rasa sih as long as you have more days yang supporting your fitness goal than not, right? Tetapi as a coach, you have to play around with the language here. Kita mesti tahu cara gimana kayak making it simple for our client, ya kan? Jadi ada yang orang yang kalau kita ngomongin kayak begini atau mindsetnya bisa kayak kita samain dengan kita, it work for some people, right? Ya udah kalau kita enggak itu, dan sebenarnya kita mesti ngarah ke situ sih, kayak ya udah no cheat days, maksudnya nggak ada term cheat days. Kamu kalau makan aja, tapi kamu juga mesti tahu mesti melakukan ini dan makanannya mesti ada ini. Nah, that's pretty much the end goal kan, karena supaya mereka nggak melihat kayak I'm just living for Saturday and Sunday every day, Senin sampai Jumat it's horrible gitu, gue kayak menyiksakan badan gue. Tetapi Saturday Sunday this is how life should be. Ya itu menurut gue sih agak nggak bisa hidup longevity kayak gitu, atau susah lah mau maintain, ya kan. Nah, jadi the perspective atau the view untuk hari-hari itu dia mesti dilihat, atau term cheat days. Tetapi ada orang yang emang approach-nya mesti digituin sih, gue rasa klien-klien ya, kayak mereka Senin lah, Selasa lah, mereka sikat terus makanan-makanan yang nggak helping in their fitness goal. Jadi you as a coach have to know how to play with labeling things, right? Atau kayak gimana supaya ya jangan inilah, jangan makan ini yang kita emang mesti benar-benar restrict orang-orang gitu, like right now the older they get, we have to know how to communicate and talk to member kita sih. Dan yeah, in some cases I use that word, Monday to Friday you need to do this, Saturday Sunday you need to do this, and then kita change it that way, you know what I mean? Jadi the goal is to you don't have any cheat days, it's just living. Iya kan? Tetapi tergantung orang-orangnya, jadi mesti ada kayak maybe we have to put it in a certain way, kayak lu maunya progresnya segini cepet, ya kita mungkin hari ini lo nggak bisa makan ini, iya kan? Nah itu kita save aja dulu deh sampai Saturday Sunday, karena emang mereka bener-bener nggak bisa living without that, you know what I mean? Karena kita tahu habitnya mereka, pas mereka makan tuh dia nggak bisa stop, atau habis itu dia overconsumption. Jadi kita sebagai coach have to play the person yang put them accountability and restrict a certain thing, and that's depend on your coaching style juga. Maksudnya kalau ada orang yang kayak gue kan, ada orang yang suka gue karena they like me, hard on them gitu. Gue nggak bisa coach kalau itu diterserahin sama gue mestinya gini. I'm gonna give it to that person, you know what I mean? Like no, Monday you gotta eat this, and it work for some people. Now it might not work for everybody, it might not work for other people, ya kan? But for this client paying me to do, and he knows that gue cuma bisanya diginiin, atau this is what gonna give me most progress, I will give him that at first. Until he's seeing, and then hopefully change his mind as we go along, or change the way he thinks of things. Jadi sebagai coach dan sebagai athlete myself, it's two different thing. Kalau gue sebagai athlete, gue nggak percaya sih cheat days, ya kan? I just look at it as days I could consume this, as in like this is just my everyday thing. If I want to go out on Wednesday and drink, but most of the time gue juga, dan I don't look at it as a bad day for me. I look at it like that's at least I already am at that point, you know what I mean? I have the discipline to have most of my days untuk kayak makanan gue ya Empire Kitchen most of the time. So when I eat something, it's not cheat days, it's just I eat something else that is out of the proportion I used to eat. So that's what I think about cheat days, guys.